pretty obedient kids, I must say.
The children are probably like their fathers, very, very obedient. Big round of applause to the children. As is the father, so is the child. Khushbu.
So is the mother. Come on, Shiva.
Okay, I have to accept.
It's
But
a
again-
family day, right?
Yeah, but I'm going to prove her wrong now. Khushbu, some time back you were saying that I look like a comedy actor.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
You know something? I lost humor in life almost 17 years ago.
17 years ago? Did you get married then?
Okay, let me change the topic. All husbands are actors when it comes to talking to their wives. Alok, do you agree? Surana ji, do you agree? 100% agreement. Because when it comes to the wife, and invariably you end up going home late, and I'm not going to say what you've done. The wife asks you, where have you been? You said you're going to come at 6 o'clock to take me out for shopping. No, you know what happened? When I stepped out of my office, my boss called me and he said, you have to give this report. Or someone else says, no, when I was coming, I had a flat tire. We have instant 10 table topic stories to share. You know something? Everybody is an actor. But now, Khushbu is going to say something about acting. You wanted to say something about acting, right?
Me? How would I know about acting? I'm not married yet.
See, she is not married and she was supporting ladies. Ooh, boo, men, come on. Boo her.
Come on, Shiva.
Okay, Khushbu, I think people are waiting eagerly there to present something and you also are very eager to share something about that.
True. Today we have Patni Pati Aur Wo. How many of us have heard Pati Patni Aur Wo? Come on, how many of us have heard Pati Patni Aur Wo? Today we have Patni Pati Aur Wo.
Khushbu, I know there are a lot of people here who can understand Tamil. Yes? If you have wo, the pati will only be patni, right? Thank you.
So today we have Patni Pati Aur Wo, directed by Dinesh and Devdas and scripted by Anu and Limnesh. Patni Pati Aur Wo. Please give a
Before marriage, all were lovebirds, but after marriage, why they become angry birds? That is the reason I love to play Angry Birds at office. In home, I face Angry Bird daily, but in office, I can at least beat Angry Bird. At least virtually, I can have the satisfaction. Now let me play level number 2562 Angry Birds. One more slap. Two more slaps. Oh, again she beat me.
Prem,
Yes sir, yes sir.
what are you doing in the office?
Sir, I was reading on mobile how to increase productivity by working with two hands, sir.
How to increase productivity by playing in mobile?
So I was
You-
reading.
You guys don't know how much I have to answer that baldi.
Sir, wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute. Sir, you exactly look like Amitabh Bachchan in this pose of the movie Zanjeer. Same elegance, same features. I wonder, sir, what are you doing in this office? You should be an actor. I'm sorry, you should be a hero, superhero, sir.
Yeah, you have very sharp eyes. I know, but you know, All are not lucky, you know.
Sir, can I go, sir? I have to read another game. I mean, I have to read another article. Thank you,
Please,
sir.
please.
Viran,
Sir,
I heard something about a Baldi.
no, I said you are bold.
Oh. Come with me. I'll show you something very nice. Viran,
Yes.
this year, your productivity has been good, excellent, outstanding. So, my dear boy, this year I have rated you as an average.
Average? But why?
Because I realized you lack the domain knowledge.
Domain knowledge? You made me as the in charge of this project because of my domain knowledge.
Well, I realized that you didn't share your knowledge in the purchasing domain.
Why would I? I am in manufacturing.
See, this is what I don't like about you, you know. You have an excuse for everything in life. And moreover, you should start working upon your communication skills.
Like what? I was the one who did this presentation on business communication. You sat in the front row and took notes. You forgot?
Whatever. You should start working upon your social, pragmatic, whatever skills, you know.
What was that?
That's what I said. You should start working on something. And you should start working on your recruitment skills. People whom you recruited left in 6 months' time.
Not my fault. You were the one who said that you will sit behind them and see what they are doing. Two of them ran away. And two tried to commit suicide.
Whatever. I tried to give you a better rating. But our normalization process rated you as an average.
What is this process that gives me excellent 1 year and average next year? I want to understand.
Well, this is the generally accepted principle everywhere. Don't get into it. It's too complicated for you.
Bring it on. Let me understand.
Okay, you asked for it. Well, what we do is, we, the senior management, we get together in a small room. We write the names of all employees on small chits of papers. And then we throw those papers up in the air. The chits that fall on the ground, they are rated as average. The chits that fall on the table, they are rated as good. And the chits that we are able to catch in our hands, they are excellent. And the chits, the ones that get stuck on the ceiling, they are outstanding.
What about poor?
Poor. Well, there are some names you forget to write.
Tell me, how on earth you expect a paper to get stuck to a ceiling?
You are now questioning the 20-year-old process. He needs some stress lessons also.
Stop making that noise, Raj. It's too irritating. I want to read this one. And what is this? Take your junk off of this table. Your dad is coming within a minute. Why can't you do it in the garden?
Yeah, we have got to eat at dinner off that table.
Why? We don't have.
Raj, it's time you started thinking about college.
Excuse me. No, I create old bikes out of new bikes. You won't understand. Shut up.
No, you're not. You steal motorbikes, strap them down and use as a piece of junk that aren't even good enough for scrap heap.
And what? Take all the money from our parents and buy all this.
Well, I'm beautiful and have a great personality.
Don't tell it anybody outside. People will fall laughing.
Shut up!
You shut up.
Will you two stop it? You are fighting like couple of kids.
He's applying. Maybe I'll take photo.
Take a photo and put it on Facebook also, huh?
We'll all like it. Hey Neha, show your face, yaar.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
What's on your face?
It's Raj, my Greece.
It's good. I hope it's set.
Shut up, you don't have any other business or what?
I'll tell you something. Take doll made by your mom and apply on your face. It will remove anything.
What did you say now?
No, I said I'm starving. What's for tea?
I hate this family.
Roasted exhausted pipe followed with petrol tanks for salad with cool grease for dessert.
Good, mom. Thought you're good today and we love to eat.
You will get a good beating from me.
Raj, how many times I told you? I don't want this junk here. Remove it now. Don't talk about that.
Now, okay?
Instead of wasting your time on these bikes, if you have worked on your mic, you would have not waste your time.
Yeah, correct. It is from your office only. And by the way, don't call this junk. These are much better than your Amitabh Bachchan stuff.
What you said? I'll show you.
Again he started now. Once in a day it is necessary.
You know this, my boy? Is the handkerchief Jaya Bharati gave to Amitabh Bachchan in the movie Sholay. And this, my boy, is what Amitabh used in the movie Coolie.
What is the proof? Maybe it is your own chaddi.
I have paperwork to prove that.
Oh God.
Now don't waste time. Remove it now.
Okay.
This is much better than this junk.
Careful. You know what is this? This is a spare part Saif Ali Khan used in his movie Race.
Take it out now. Go. Boys nowadays don't have respect. They want everything in a plate. Now what's for dinner? I'm starving.
There is nothing. You are not given any money for that.
What happened to all the money I gave to you last week?
I paid a bill with that.
You paid a bill? You think it is important to pay a stupid bill than to keep something to eat? By the way, what is that bill?
Your Amitabh Bachchan feeding bottle bill. This one. Take it.
Don't throw like that. It's Amitabh Bachchan feeding bottle. Good that you did that.
It's beautiful, na? Eat this only. There is nothing for dinner.
Wow.
Hey Viran, have you seen this? 7 days in Goa for 14,000. This is not bad. Or 14 days in Shimla in 27,000. Good, na? Or this one is, this, see? This one we will surely take this one.
I can't afford that. I can't afford to come.
Oh, you can't? That's a pity. I and Shalu can go on alone.
Nina, I'm going to lose my job.
What happened? What you done this time?
I don't know.
So why do they want to see you, Dad?
I don't know. He says recession. They're not able to sell enough toilet rolls. Maybe everyone should get diarrhea. I don't know.
Are you drawing monkey-like faces in the toilet hall again?
No. I only draw his face, not monkey face, anyhow.
What we will do now?
Where is he? Raj! Where is he?
What's the matter?
I want to kill him now.
Raj has used Amitabh Bachchan's bath towel as a cleaning rag.
Wait. Let me first check if my mic is working. Is the mic working? Okay. I think the debt collector has come. Debt collector has come.
Oh God.
Leave it.
Has he gone?
No, he's there.
Shalu, it's for you. Your beauty cream dealer has come.
No, he's not the cream dealer.
I have come to collect your washing machine, your television set, and your sofa. Mr. Shekhar, you have not paid your arrears of rent for quite some time now.
But that's fine. You should not come now. It's time for dinner.
Yeah.
Good you reminded. I will also collect your microwave and your cooker. Something smells.
My socks.
Not your always stinking socks. Something good to eat.
Dog food curry. You want to eat? Stay there. This is a private property. You can't come like that.
Shekhar, this is no more a private property. We are soon going to repossess your assets if you are not going to pay. And the council will anyway issue the eviction notice.
Okay. Stay here only.
I don't know.
I'll come. Stay here.
Okay.
Gone. Hello. I told you to stay there. Stay here.
Okay.
Stay.
Okay.
Viran, I was going to tell you, but the bills kept mounting up.
You don't have any money to pay him now?
No money until Monday. You know, Monday nights are movie nights. I kept money for that.
Oh, you can't take that money. Okay, I will manage him somehow. Hello? This is a real private property. Amitabh Bachchan used in the movie Coolie.
Private property?
Once in a day,
Oh,
na,
don't
you
touch
know?
that. This is really a private property
Private property?
of Amitabh Bachchan. Now wait. We don't have any money to pay you now. But I promise you, I will pay your debt. Give us some time, okay?
Mr. Viran, I'll come tomorrow at the same time. If you do not pay, I'll take action to repossess your assets and ensure that the council issue the eviction notice.
Okay, go now.
I'll come at the same time, Mr. Viran. Same time tomorrow, last chance.
Okay.
Same time, remember.
Same time.
Last chance.
Same time.
Last
Go.
chance.
Same time.
Relax.
Oh God, relax.
Shanti hai.
He's gone.
Yeah.
Mama, what movie will go on Monday?
Same time.
Which one you want to go? I think Iron Man is the latest.
Yes, we'll go Iron Man. Yes.
We'll go in the balcony.
Balcony, yes.
Balcony? I will jump from the balcony. You want to see action movie? Wait till tomorrow. You will see action movie here only. You want to go?
I hate this family.
Viran, what are you going to do now?
I don't know. Maybe I will sell one of these old junks of Raj and get some money.
Hello, why my junk? You send your Amitabh Bachchan stuff now?
Huh? Ah,
Hey, don't start this again at this point.
cool, cool. I was just joking. Maybe I will go to my mom's house and get some money.
Okay. Hey, Viran, if she gives you money, buy the lottery ticket, the usual numbers.
Okay, if I remember.
Okay. Best of luck.
That was the weather forecast. And if you missed last night National Lottery Draw, the numbers were 5, 11,
11,
14,
14,
22,
52,
36,
36,
and 39.
39! Raj! Shalu!
What happened?
These are our numbers! We have won 1 crore in the lottery! I can't believe it! Where is the phone? Where is the phone?
But where is the lottery ticket?
Okay. Find the jeans he wore last night. Yeah, see in the clock.
Listen.
Yeah, these are our numbers. We
I will
have
buy
won 1 crore rupees.
You sit.
Go, give me your phone. Give me. I have to call your dad in the office. Hello? This is Mrs. Viran. Can I talk to Mr. Viran? What? Company policy? Not in work time? Well, can you give him a message? Can you tell him that we have won 1 crore rupees in the lottery? And also tell him to tell his boss to go to hell. Bye.
God, Mom.
I have told him.
Sit down.
You just can't believe what can I do with that. I can purchase a flat in Delhi or go to Goa and still in shock.
What will daddy do now?
I know what Dad will do. Make Amitabh Bachchan his brand ambassador for the toilet paper roll.
मेरे पास golden toilet paper roll है. Ticket.
Puri, what we will do?
We'll buy a villa. We'll go to so many places.
Mama, this is the last Saturday ticket.
You're joking.
Oh, see the dates.
I know it was too great to be true.
Now what I will tell your father?
Oh my
He is
God.
going to be coming within 1 minute. If he told to his boss to shed his job, he is going to be mad.
I know he will be like Amitabh Bachchan from the movie Zanjeer. I have work in attic, Mama. I'm going.
I have to do my
Hey, you
math
got to stay here. I need protection. No, you got to stay
I
here.
am in the money. I am in the money. Raj, how many times I told you not to remove your pant in the hall?
That is your pen.
God, what?
Do something with that. That's for you. Chalu, this is the new hair dryer. That's what you asked, no?
Thank you, Dad.
For my lovely wife.
Thank you. Viran, please sit down. I want to tell you something.
I want to tell you something first.
no, you just sit. It's very serious. Relax and sit. I want to tell you something very serious. Please sit down.
Something very interesting I want to tell you.
Please, somebody tell something to someone, no, please.
Okay, you tell.
Viran, I don't know how to tell you. We have not won any lottery in the tickets. We are still flat broke.
It's okay. So what? There is another week. Maybe next week we will win.
You are not bothered?
Why would I? You know, I have been promoted. You are looking at the new production manager of Golden Roll Paper Company.
Really, Dad?
Yes, my son.
Congratulations. Does that mean that you will put hole in that toilet paper?
Not anymore. Someone else will put. I will only supervise.
I know you are the brains of the family.
I always know that. He was the one who was not accepting that.
Viran, is this after the phone call in the office?
Yeah, there was a phone call. But you know what happened after that? My boss came running to me. And he made me as the new production manager. He even asked me to become partner in the business. You guys believe it?
I can't expect more worse than this.
Come on. I am not going to stay here now. I am going to party. I am going to the club. I am not going to sit here and see these glum faces any longer. Huh. Huh.
A perfect looking house, the kind you find in magazines. A perfect looking Nina puts the finishing touches on a perfect looking living room. Raj, video games console lying on the table nearby, makes some weird sizzling noise. Nina goes forward to take a look. Suddenly, there is a flash of blinding light and a popping noise. She opens her eyes to find a robot standing in front of her.
Hi, honey, I'm home. Where shall I put my coat?
Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
Hello. I'm your husband. Where shall I put my coat? I mean, my balls.
Husband? Don't touch me! I will scream! I will call the police!
Won't you ask me how my day was? I mean, my game was.
How was your game?
It was awful. Same old boring screen, same old boring weapons, same old boring life. And I thought, why not try something new? Why not try something different?
But you just can't come in and...
I admire your home. It's very well kept.
Well, thank you for that, but...
I peek into your life every day during Raj, aggressive firing and hammering. And today I thought, why not try something new? I don't even get to see a new screen until they pass a new level.
But I have already an husband.
Husband, what does he do? He can have my life.
He is an executive in a technology company.
Technology, I like technology, small stuff and geek like that.
But aren't you a gadget yourself? See, I'm so sorry, but your life is so boring and my life is boring too. But you just can't come in and expect us to...
I almost forgot. I got you flower.
Flowers? For me? Thank you.
These are orchids, symbol of rare purity and eternal love. My love for you.
My husband didn't bought me flowers in all these years.
I wrote you a poem too.
A poem? For me?
Do you want me to recite it?
Well, you have trouble writing it, so I don't want to waste it.
You take my breath away, like the sunset or the summer day, when I gaze at the moon or the ocean blue. They fade beside the sight of you. You take my breath away.
You wrote it?
For you.
Oh, it's really beautiful. Thank you. Wow, it's interesting. Do you snore?
I don't snore. I make a small beeping sound when my battery is dying.
Do you have baldness in your family history?
On the contrary, we have plastic hairs.
Very good. Wow. And call the plumber or help fix the toilet or call the plumber?
Fix it.
Do the laundry or help me to do so?
I can do yours.
Wow, great. Shingle the roof or buy a new house?
New house.
Very good. Watch cricket or help me in the kitchen?
You do the watching, I'll be in kitchen.
That's very nice of you. Very nice. Okay. Now, anniversary in Goa or Shimla?
Mars.
Perfect. You are really perfect.
Are we ready now?
Easy tin can. You have to win over the kids first. Raj, Shalu.
Kids.
Meet your new father.
Hello, kids.
He is not my father. He is the robo from my game.
Raj, do you like bikes?
Yes, I like bikes.
I'll buy you a new bike.
Really? Thank you, Dad. I love you so much.
What about me? I hate bikes.
Do you like shopping, Shalu? Here, take $100 bill.
$100 bill? You're the greatest.
See, I told you, na? Yeah. Kids, go and play in your room. Your father and me want some time alone.
Sure thing, Mom.
Hi, honey. Who is this Shani? What are you doing to my wife?
I am trying to impress her.
Impress her? My wife? I'm going to call the police now.
Viran, give me your keys.
My keys?
Yeah, the keys. Hand it over.
Why?
He's replacing you.
This is replacing me?
Yeah, he is in and you are out.
But why?
When is the last time you brought me flowers, roses?
But I thought you hate rose.
I'm not talking about your secretary. I'm just talking about the real flower, rose.
Oh. But tell me, मेरे पास घर है, गाड़ी है, इसके पास क्या है?
He has time to give us. The keys, hand it over.
But what about kids? I am their father.
You ask them only, I don't ask me.
Raj.
Hi, Dad. Who are you?
रिश्ते में आपको बाप होता है. नाम है विरान शेखर.
That is too late. He's buying me a new bike. He's my new father.
Shalu?
Sorry, Dad. It's nothing too personal. He's taking me to shopping.
The keys, hand it over.
But I love this family. I will give you two options. Option A, take me as another kid. Option B, take me as a family dog.
Family dog. Hey, please, please. I always love dogs. I love his dog. Please, please, Dad. Please.
He's got to put hair everywhere.
Shut up.
What do you think, honey? We should keep him?
It's going to be your responsibility, Raj. We are not going to feed him. We are not going to take him on walk. We are not going to take him on poop.
Thank you, Dad.
Can we go shopping now?
If your father will drive you.
Dad.
Your mother and I were kind of middle of something.
But I want to go now. This is safe.
I think the dog has to go out.
This is not my dog. Raj, here, take the dog out.
I have some work.
Can we go shopping now or not?
Honey, could you take care of the dog?
This is not my dog. Where is the leash?
But you said that we could keep him.
Dad,
Sure.
can we play ball?
I thought you had something to do.
I finished it.
Here, take the dog out.
I have to poop.
Is anybody listening to me?
Honey, you are going out, so take the trash also.
Sure.
Dad, can we go for buying that bike, please? The showroom is going to close. Come on.
Hello! I hate this family.
Could you do something about your daughter?
What do you want me to do?
Bike showroom.
Shopping.
Okay. When we get back, can we have some quiet time? You know what I mean?
You have to wait, dear. You have responsibilities now.
Responsibilities. This is not what I signed up for. Rules and responsibilities. You are as bad as my game.
What did you say now? Don't compare me to this stupid game.
I did not mean.
Do you ever like this house?
Yeah, sure.
Do you ever like to live here?
Yes, I do.
Bike showroom.
If I ever heard you think like this again,
Bike showroom. Daddy, bike.
I swear, you want to live here, you want this house, and you replace my husband, and now you're saying you don't want to obey responsibilities.
I need a new wife.
Bike showroom. Bike showroom. Bike showroom. Yeah, bike.
Honey, now I'll find time for you.
Thank you.
I would like to call upon CA Mohit Malkani to give a token of appreciation to each one of the performers. CA Meenakshi Sundaram as Veeran. Applaud, come on. Why have you stopped clapping? CA Karthik G as Raj. Bike. CA Nilesh Bhatia as Charles. CA Dinesh as Robot. CA Dilip Jain as the debt collector. Neha Jain as Nina. And Purvi Jain as Shalu. Wait, where is Prem? Sumit? CA Sumit Dhadda as Prem. Even his kid is wearing Angry Birds. I wonder what he does at home. Please give a big round of applause once again to all of them.
Thanks.
Mr. Dinesh and Mr. Devdas, Limnesh and Anu. And the keyboard handling, the music, the timing, it was just perfect. Please give a big round of applause to him. Alan.
I now request CA Sanjay to propose vote of thanks and to express his gratitude to one and all. CA Sanjay.
Thank you very much, Shiva. Thanks, Khushbu. The show is still not over, friends. There is another star item. Just for a couple of minutes, setting up time is required. This time we are going to use to express our gratitude and acknowledgements for making this humongous effort a reality. This could not have been possible without the support of dozens of members who have been working behind the scenes to make this day a reality. To start with, I would announce to thank, first of all, our sponsors, YK Almoit, Expat Properties, Viva, Gulf Air, Al Rashid Group, Al Jazeera Group, iPoint, Macromart, Gulf Hotel, Bahrain Cinema Company. If I do not acknowledge the support we receive all the time from the past chairmen and mentors of our chapter, here I would like to name CA Lakshmanan and CA Alok Gupta for getting the sponsorships for the chapter, CA Bala Subramaniam, who is always there to help the chapter by allowing to use his office. A big round of applause to all of them, please. I would like to thank the magic show, the people who are going to perform the fusion music before you, Mr. Yusuf Taha and Mr. Arun, for organizing the event which you all enjoyed between 3 to 6, Wills and Mills, who were the performer in that event. And friends, ladies and gentlemen, I am sure you are with me when I say that you had a great evening. Yes? Yes, this great evening was possible only because of the untiring efforts of last 1.5 months of the performances which you saw on the stage. The painting puzzle which you saw in 5 minutes, I am sure more than 50 hours or more than 100 hours of the practice was behind this painting puzzle, which was done by all these participants, sparing from their busy schedule, working over weekends, leaving their families and children behind to make sure that all of us enjoy sitting over here. A big round of applause to all of them, please. The drama which you saw here, which was performed by the members of the CA chapter, I am going to tell you reality. These members, they have been practicing really hard for last 1.5 months, weekends, weekdays, forgetting about their children, forgetting about their spouses, just to give this performance before you today. They deserve a big round of applause. The songs, the dances, the flute recital, all of that which you saw, it was a hard work of these gentlemen and children who have been practicing really hard. Now, I would like to call upon all the volunteers who have been working behind the stage to join me here, please, with CA Uday Shanbag, CA Sumit Dada, CA Sandeep Shah. Some of them are not here physically, but they have been there with us for last 1.5 months. CA Shridhar, Pranav, if he is here, Amin Mansoori, please join me on this stage. Please do not shy, gentlemen. You deserve all this big round of applause from the people who have enjoyed the fruits of your hard labor. CA Mohit Malkani, CA Kurian Thomas, CA Radesh Krishnan, CA Vikas Gupta, CA Anil Bhatia. I request gentlemen to please join. Please don't be shy. You all deserve this. CA Anil, by sitting over on the chair, your credit is not going to be taken away. You deserve this because you are the one who have worked behind the scenes for this. They have been so magnanimous and so humble that they do not want to come forward even to acknowledge the applause from you, ladies and gentlemen. CA Khushbu, who has been your master of ceremony, CA Arun Kotwani, CA Gopala Krishnan, who is not here, who is still arranging for food over there. And I am sure who are leaving, they will not enjoy the complete food. That I assure you, because complete food is still not set over there. CA Gopala Krishnan, CA Kapil Batra, CA Vivek Kapoor, CA Yogandar, CA Shiva Kumar, and volunteer CA Charles Itty, CA Radesh Krishnan. I am sure I have covered all of them. I request you all to please give them a thundering applause. CA Jagannath Naidu. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Just 1 second. May I request CA Muralidhar to please give them a token of appreciation, memento, please. While CA Murali is giving the memento to these gentlemen, I would like to thank Al Najma Club. I would like to thank all of you present here, and my special thanks to those who took their time off and registered online. Now there is one name which I am missing, and it is intentional. Can any one of you guess what that name is? Like in a movie, the success of the movie depends on the director of the movie, how he directs the movie. For this show, which has been always a dream of the BCICI Executive Committee, for making this dream a reality, for giving colors to this dream, there was one person behind this, that is C.A. Sunil Cherian. I request C.A. Sunil to please join me on the stage. If I tell you something, this man was here in the venue till 3 a.m. in the morning. Some of these guys, they have been working 24/7 and they will not be sleeping even today, making sure that everything went off completely well. And Sunil is assisted by Limnesh. Okay, I also deserve a memento. Thank you very much, Murli. Limnesh and Anu Mathai. I am not sure where she is. And she has been working all the way for making this drama a reality. Gentlemen, ladies, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart on behalf of the members of the Bahrain chapter of ICAI, on behalf of the executive committee of ICAI. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
To a wonderful destination. Please hold your breath. This is going to be drawn immediately after the last event. Khushbu, you wanted to say something. What was that?
Being a Mumbaiite, vada with pav is always a great combination.
So for South Indians, idli with samgar, of course, is a wonderful combination.
Shiva, but if you notice, these taste good individually. What if you mix them together?
I don't know. I like idli on its own. Of course, I can't drink sambar, but the combo is very good. I think you're leading to something like a combo now, right? Some sort of a cocktail, mixing things.
Shiva, I know you're from BMMI, but when we have keyboard mixed with bass guitar, acoustic guitar with drums and percussion instruments, then you have a fusion music.
Musical fusion by
Ocean Strings with Benjamin on keyboard and guitar, Jaren on bass guitar, Mohammed on acoustic guitar, Dhoni, a professional drummer, Darren, percussionist who handles 3 to 4 instruments on the stage. The music is shades of Indian and Western music.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the fusion music.
you all like it? To be very frank, I was actually tensed and at the verge of tears because at the start of the show we had 350 people over here. And now, look to yourself, we don't have that many people. So, we were really tense to perform because we were here from morning. But this response from yours was really amazing. Thanks a lot. Now, you've been sitting here like this. It's been quite a long time you've been sitting. Let's all participate. No, none of you have spoken to me. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to play some melodies. Will you people actually sing with me? Seriously? Okay, I'm going to play Hindi melodies, so it would be easier. Did you get the song? Okay, now I just want you to hum then. One sec. One more song, or are you done with this? One more song. done, I guess. Then I'll stop. So now we're going to the last piece. Again, a fast number. So all of you ready to enjoy? The last piece of the show. You've been sitting here since 3 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Since yesterday. So this is the last piece for every one of you to enjoy. You can come down, you can stand there, but don't sit idle. I need a hip hop. So after that I'll tell you who all are there behind this music. So we're going to start that. Let's start it. myself, I'm Benjamin. On the percussion we have Darren. On guitar we have Mohammed. And it's Dhoni on the bass drum. And it's Jaren with me on the bass guitar. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed. God bless you all.
Could I please call upon CA Meenakshi Sundaram to give away the token of appreciation to the Ocean Music?
Meenakshi will give mementos. May I request Benjamin, please call your team, please.
Entire team.
And may I request Anu to please join here. We have missed you last 2 times while giving the vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to Anu Mathai. She has been there in the painting, in drama, and behind the concept. I request Khushbu to please give memento to Anu. A big round of applause for her. Arunji, one memento. Thank you very much. I am sure your patience is going to be well rewarded because we have a mega raffle still left. That is the Gulf Air ticket to fly anywhere in the world wherever Gulf Air flights goes. This mega raffle is still with us and I am sure one of you sitting here is going to be the lucky winner for that.
399 80232. Mr. Ajay Kumar.
Surana sir, may I request the pleasure of your company, please? You have taken a lot of rest. Please come. Mr. Ajay Kumar.
The painting of Mahatma Gandhi with the
painting of Mahatma Gandhi is won by Mr. Ajay Kumar. A big round of applause for him. Congratulations. And for Mother Teresa, we got the 51 BD from anonymous bidder. So big round of applause for this anonymous bidder for Mother Teresa 51 BD. These collections will go to ICRF, Indian Community Relief Fund, and handed over to the Indian Embassy in Bahrain. May I request Arun to now come for raffles? Surana sir. Yeah sir, please come. We have the Gulf Hotel vouchers. 4 Gulf Hotel vouchers. Mr. Yogender Karnam. Yogender is here. Yogender is on the other side. Charles, you can collect on behalf of Yogender and give it to him. Jaideep Rana. Jaideep Rana is here. Jaideep. Gulf Hotel. Jaideep. These are Gulf Hotel vouchers. Courtesy Mr. Suresh Surana. Jai Ho. Jai Ho. Here is the 3rd lucky winner. Mr. Mani Lakshmana Murthy. Mani ji. Mani nahi hai. Okay. Then we have Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh Kumar. Mr. Ganesh Kumar. Sir, we need to reward the patience of the people sitting here. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Agarwal. Pradeep ji. Mr. Bikash Agarwal. Bikash must be here. Bikash Agarwal. Bikash, come. Okay. Take your voucher. Yeah. You can. Mr. Hemant Desai. Hemant Desai, guy. Mr. Karthik ji. Karthik must be here. Yeah. Karthik. Karthik. Kritika is here. Yeah. Big round of applause for Karthik. Kritika. Gulf Hotel vouchers. और कोई आ गया? कोई और रह गया? एक बचा है. Last voucher from Gulf Hotel. Oh, this name I cannot read. Wow. This is the poem actually. I can't read it.
Thanga Durai Johnson Pandian. I apologize if I pronounce it wrong.
I wish I think they not my slip here. Mr. P.S. Balasubramaniam. Balu.
Guys, you have the Gulf voucher coming.
Mr. Satish Kumar. Satish Kumar. If anything is left over, it will go to whom? Pinaki Chakravarti. Mr. Pradeep Rajendra Kumar Gupta. Mr. Pradeep Rajendra Kumar Gupta. Manoj. Mr. Harish Venkata Krishnan. Mr. Manish Agarwal, come. Aaja. Congratulations. Now we have mega raffle. Thank you very much, Surana sir. Just one last courtesy, that mega raffle also you pick up. Gulf Air ticket to fly anywhere. Who is the lucky winner? This is Sanjay Gupta. Ha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is there? Mr. Viran. Meenakshi Sundaram. Now his head is going to spin. Well deserved. Now this is your lucky ticket. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you all. Please enjoy the dinner in the other hall. The Jain food is separate and there are buffet over there. I request you all to please enjoy the dinner and thank you once again for your patience over here.